Kawahara Nursery is what we're called. We have two facilities. We have this facility that you guys were present at in Gilroy. Our other one is about 10 miles away in Morgan Hill. We typically have somewhere about 165 employees full-time, and depending on the season, it could go up to close to 300 or so. And here we grow a variety of things. We supply a lot of Home Depot and Costco. So we grow anything from vegetables to, as you can see, poinsettias. And as you saw today, we use the Burro, which is that's probably our latest one that we're using. We have an ISO machine that basically helps us stick plants. We have the transplant line that we saw earlier where we produce. And we also have a variety of different things we use to make the planting easier. That's all connected on the transplant line. Like anything, change is not always easy. But I think once we learned how to use it properly and we saw the effectiveness of it, that people definitely bought in, because it makes everybody's job easier when you're using it correctly. So I think everybody does see the benefits of using it. So I think it's awesome to meet people from around the world. Everybody grows different things, has different perspectives on how to grow different ideas, and it's a great way to share ideas with each other from all parts of the globe. So I think it's awesome, and I love to show off what we have here, and of course, as California, I always like showing California to others. So I think it's amazing.